Deep inside the frozen forests of Alaska, this tiny creature, the wood frog, lies completely still. Its heart has stopped. Its blood has turned to ice. Yet as the sun returns, life slowly awakens. Drop by drop, its body warms. Its heart beats again. This frog survives the impossible by turning its own blood into a natural antifreeze made of glucose and urea. From ice to life, a miracle written in its DNA. Watch closely. What looks like a frozen corpse is a master of survival, the wood frog of Alaska. When temperatures drop below zero, it lets its heart and lungs stop completely. Glucose floods its cells, protecting them like a shield of sugar. As spring returns, the ice melts, and the frog simply starts living again. Nature's own cryonics experiment, and it works. On a cellular level, ice creeps between the frog's tissues, yet its cells don't burst. Hidden within is glucose, acting as antifreeze, preserving each fiber of life. Outside, the forest warms, and the frozen body begins to stir. The eye clears, a heartbeat returns, and from stillness comes motion. The wood frog teaches us one truth: life can pause, but it never surrenders.